What's going, everyone? Shankar Puri here, and today we got to talk about it, the Bitcoin price, and where is it heading? You guys might be surprised of what the charts have revealed to us and what they keep revealing on a day-to-day basis. So without further ado, let's dive right into the charts. All right, guys, so today looking at the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. And what we have here, this line is a 200-day moving average. And what I'm going to add on it is also the 50-day moving average. And what we got going on is close. One, we have the 50-day moving average. Let me change the color here. In black, and we have a close golden cross coming up. Close golden cross. Not only that, we do have the price has broken out of the sloping trend line here. So we broken out, and you can see it was a valid trend line. We even had a little bit of tension right here. I thought we were gonna pull back, but now we are over that, and we are also above this resistance zone right here. So we're above all these areas right here. So what I see now is if we can maintain over this right here, if we can maintain and make a push and then a retest, we could head higher or at least consolidate before another next leg up, right? So what the price is really showing me right now is that, hey, you know, we may not be in a full out bull run or anything, but the signs of the market turning around are definitely here. We're definitely seeing it. You can see we consolidated at the previous high of 2017. Didn't really pass too much below it. The FTX crash pushed the price below it, and then we kind of rebounded, right? So we have not really pushed way too far below that. So this would be a good sign that, hey, accumulation of Bitcoin is something that may be in play now, right? So not even just that. If we look at the S&P 500, we do have the similar setup where the 200-day and the 50-day is closely approaching a golden cross. Just delete these here. Slowly approaching a golden cross, as well as we have today broken above this trend line and the 200-day. So now what we need to see is a retest and a break above, and if not a retest, at least we break above these levels right here, to at least give us a confirmation of some sort that, hey, you know what, price may actually be heading higher, and then we could just be heading extremely higher after that. So this is definitely a possibility. Be unbiased to the markets. We thought we got this rejection, which it was a rejection, so we believe we were going to be heading lower. But the S&P definitely now, if this week it continues to push, or at least retest and push, we can definitely have the market just turn around, while everyone's looking the other way right now, not even looking at stocks. Everyone's saying everything's crashing. But if you see, we now have an opportunity, if we break this, to actually maybe have an uptrend, and definitely a possibility. However, don't FOMO in. Don't just start buying everything thinking that's gonna happen. DCA in, because if we do have a leg lower, it would take us a lot lower down, and then you'd have better buying opportunities, right? So same with Bitcoin, is that if we retest and hit consolidate, I think we will break up. We could have a nice rally and then consolidate. So that's definitely an opportunity that we could have. So just keep that in mind. That I don't think we're going to be in a full-blown bull market, but we definitely are seeing signs of the market turning around. All right. So that is for the S&P. Let's look at Ethereum, see how it's doing on this chart. So similar, you know, I would love to see Ethereum break this right here. Love to see Ethereum break this level right here. And if you see, it has broken out of a trend line right here. Right, it's broken out. If you look at the total 3 and the total 2, let's look at the total 2 because it includes ETH. You can see we are still we've broken this trend line, but we have not. This chart actually does not look like as bullish as the Bitcoin chart, you know, where we can definitely make another leg lower. Definitely a possibility where we can just come up here, touch this, and then head further lower. So that's definitely an opportunity there. Will that happen? Maybe not. But if we did, DCAing into coins around this level, definitely something that you could do. But you know, this is the 2017 low over here. And we've definitely been consolidating around it. So if we were going to turn around, it does look like, hey, we definitely have, you know, we're building a good foundation here, right? So again, we could definitely come all the way up here and then bounce down. So the big area I'm looking at for altcoins is for us to at least break this to give us some positive air, you know, so break above, and then, hey, if we get purchases all along this retest and DCA in for the next bull run, definitely an opportunity. But for now, just be careful and cautious because we're not out of any type of woods. To be honest, the Bitcoin chart is looking pretty decent. You know what I mean? It's looking like, you know, we could consolidate at higher level. Maybe this will be our new floor. Definitely an opportunity. But you know, we need to see some type of retest or you know, a push higher, you know, breaking this right here, you know. So this would be the area that I'm looking at now, and how Bitcoin will perform in this area, in between this level. So we could just be bouncing around here, but we would probably get a break either above this, so if we get a break above this, you know, definitely may have a decent move all the way up to 31k, right? Yeah, 31k. Could just consolidate for a bit and head lower. So just keep that in mind, that we are not out of any type of woods, but it is a good sign that both Bitcoin and the S&P 500 are both over the 200-day, and they've both broken their trend line. So there is a sign that, hey, we could definitely be actually over this this bear market. Definitely a possibility, but do not expect things to just fly if that was the case. The environment right now is not looking the greatest, and jobs are being you know, people are losing their jobs, and the economy is not exactly the strongest. Inflation, interest rates are still, you know, for houses have not come down. And if you ask me, I think the housing market still, if it was going to go lower, it still has some more room to go, because housing is a lot slower moving asset than cryptocurrency and the stock market. Because you have to think about it, for you to buy and sell a stock, it may take a minute, right? For you to buy and sell a property, it could take 3 months. So we may still not be at the bottom of the real estate market. We could still have 6 to 12 months to go. And if the real estate market keeps pushes down even more, definitely could have we could definitely have a push down in the stock market. So just keep this in mind. I would you know, not FOMO into anything, but if we are seeing more signs of strength and at least more just consolidation, definitely DCA in, but have a area where you'll maybe cut some of your portfolio or losses in case, you know, the signs of us coming all the way down here or even lower is a possibility. But you know, it looks like we are seeing some signs of strength. Let's see how the week plays out for the S&P and Bitcoin and see how strong these moves are. Looking at these zones right here for Bitcoin to see what's going on. And you know, without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next time so you can get more Bitcoin, altcoin, cryptocurrency, commodities, forex, indices, news, and I'll see you next time. Take care.